What's up guys, it's your boy Olushola David and you're welcome to my YouTube channel. Now in today's video I'm going to show you how you can invest in cryptocurrency and make money. Now this is despite the fact that cryptocurrency has been banned in Nigeria. I'm going to show you step by step how you can buy crypto and how you can withdraw it to your local bank account. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to head over to my computer right there and show you how you can get this done. But before we get started, if this is your first time visiting the channel, please like the video and subscribe to the YouTube channel so you can get more videos like this. All right, thank you and stay tuned. Okay guys, welcome back once again, and like I said, I'm going to show you how you can invest in cryptocurrency in Nigeria despite the fact that cryptocurrency has been banned by the federal government. Okay, so I'm going to show you how you can successfully buy cryptos and how you can withdraw these cryptos as naira to your local bank account irrespective of the bank. Okay, so for this to be successful, there's a platform that we're going to be using, okay, because currently not all platforms in Nigeria support the trading of cryptocurrency after the ban by the federal government. Okay, so the platform that we are going to be using for this is called Roku, and I'm going to add the link to the website at the description of the video, so you just go through the link and create a free account for yourself. Okay, so after you must have watched the video, just go to the description of the video, click the link and set up an account for yourself. Okay, so as you can see now, this is the platform, and what you need to do is just click on the sign up button to set up an account for yourself. So once you've set up your account, they are going to ask you to verify your identity. Now this is done to avoid scam and to also lift the ban that is on your account by default. Okay, so once the account is lifted, you can now trade a bigger amount of money. So once that is done, what we want to do is you're going to need to deposit a money in your Naira wallet. Okay, so from your Naira wallet, you can now use the Naira to buy any of the altcoins you want to buy. Okay, so as you can see, currently they have, I think they have Bitcoin, they have Ethereum, they have Litecoin, they have Dogecoin, they have Tilta, they have Ripple, they have Dash, EOS, Tron, Binance, Hive, and Steam. Okay, so right now I'm going to walk us through how you can deposit your money and how you can use the money to buy any of the cryptocurrency you want right here. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to click on this deposit button. Okay, so after you must have clicked on the deposit button, it's going to ask you to specify the amount of money you want to deposit. Okay, so once that is done, you can now use the money to start buying your cryptocurrency. All right, so in my own case, I'm just going to go with this 100,000 naira. Okay, so just click on this to include the fee in the calculation. So as you can see now, 100,000 is going to get us 192 USD. So if you want to round it up to 200 USD, you can simply increase the amount here. So let's make it 105. Okay, so as you can see, we now have $202. So let's say you want to invest $202 in cryptocurrency. Now this is the amount you're going to deposit. Okay, so after that, what you're going to need to do is click on proceed with deposit. Okay, so as you can see, wallet to wallet, bank transfer, and debit card. So you cannot use this bank transfer and you cannot use this debit card because they are going to raise an alarm when this is done, because there's a ban on it already. So this is going to go through your bank, and if it goes through your bank, the bank is going to know because of the description, okay, because of the narration rather. So the best thing you're going to do now is to come here and click this peer-to-peer. Okay, so once you click on peer-to-peer, it's going to ask you to verify the account you are sending the money from. So in my own case now, this is the account I have on the platform, an account I integrated with the platform. So this is the account I'm going to be sending the money from. Okay, so once you verify and you know it's correct, what you need to do is just click the proceed button. Okay, so verification required. Deposit amount exceed your current deposit limit of 500,000. You need to provide a form of identity in order to increase this deposit limit. Okay, I think I verified my account because I was able to deposit the money previously. So probably all the money I've deposited has increase or get into the total amount of the limit, which is 500,000. So what I'm going to do now is let me quickly add back, okay, and let's do a smaller amount of money in order not to waste our time. Okay, so let me just go with 5,000 naira. So the same process that you're going to use to deposit 100,000 naira is the same process you're going to use to deposit 5,000 naira. Okay, so what I'm going to do is just click on proceed, then click peer-to-peer, then verify the bank, then click proceed. All right, so now this is the person you're going to send the money to. So once you send the money to the person and the person confirm it, the money is going to drop in your Roku wallet. Okay, so let's click deposit with D. Okay, so as you can see now, kindly make sure that you use this as your transfer narration, as your fund will be lost. Now this is the most important aspect of it. Now this is the transfer narration. Now this number is what you're going to enter as the narration of the money you want to send to this person. If you're doing a bank deposit, okay, so make sure you enter this as the narration of the money, and if you are doing a mobile transfer, enter this as the narration of the money you are sending to the person, because this is how they can track it. This is how they are going to know the amount of money you sent to so and so. And once you've done that successfully, what you need to do, just scroll down and click I have made the payment. So once you click on I have made the payment, within 2 to 5 minutes, once the person confirms the money is going to drop in your account. I'm not going to do that because I've done that initially. All right, so after that, what you want to do is just come back to your wallet address. Okay, let me just come here. So the money should show here. So let's say we deposited 100,000, and the 100,000 is going to display here, and what you want to do now is click on buy and sell. Okay, so click instant buy. So once you click on instant buy, it's going to bring out the cryptos. So you need to identify the cryptocurrency you want to buy and save for future value. All right, so as you can see, they have Bitcoin, Ethereum, and the rest. Okay, so let's say you want to buy Bitcoin, or let's say you want to buy Litecoin or Dogecoin or Dash. Okay, let's go with BNB. So let's say you want to buy BNB. Remember that the money you deposited is 100,000 naira. Okay, so from that money you can just say you want to buy BNB of 30,000 naira. Once you click proceed with purchase, it's going to buy the cryptocurrency automatically. Okay, so you can do this for the rest of the crypto on the platform and let the money grow on your account. So once you've done that for a while and you decided you want to withdraw the money to your local bank account, okay, so what you want to do now is just come here, click on buy and sell. So click on instant sell. So you need to specify the cryptocurrency you want to sell as well. So once you sell the cryptocurrency, okay, so the naira equivalent is going to drop in your wallet. Okay, so these are the cryptocurrency. Yeah, so these are the ones I have here. So I have Doge, I have Hive, and like so. Any of the one you want to sell, just click on it, then specify the amount you want to sell. Okay, so once you've done that, click proceed with sale. So once you've done that, the money is going to show here. The money is going to show here. So after the money has shown here, what you want to do now is just click on withdraw. So once you click on withdraw, then you can now say withdraw to bank account. So once you click on withdraw to bank account, they're going to match you with somebody that want to sell, or that they're going to match you with somebody that wants to buy. So from there, they can now send the money to your local bank account. So this is basically how you can buy and sell cryptocurrency in Nigeria, irrespective of the fact that they've placed a ban on it. Okay, so irrespective of the fact that they placed a ban on it, you can actually do this using this method. And like I said, I'm going to add the link to this website at the description of the video. So after the video, just scroll to the end of the video, click the link and create an account for yourself. And don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel and like the video. And if you have any question as regards this video, please scroll to the comment section and ask your question. I'll make sure I reply to you as fast as I can. All right, guys. So thank you for watching. I will see you in the next one.